Welcome to another edition of the Story Behind the Car, and check this out. I couldn't help but shoot this. This is Plum Crazy. It's got a V8, and check this out. 340. Holy smokes. That thing had to be engineered in there. Whoever built this is amazing talent. So it's a 1966 Dodge A100, and you know it didn't come with a 340, but someone shoehorned it in there. And it's got the wheels and tires and the sideboards. Just such a cool truck. Little, I almost said little Red Wagon, but and the exhaust tips coming out right in front of the rear tire. Bedwood. Just such a cool truck. And I just had to shoot it and wanted to share it with everybody. Unfortunately, the owner wasn't around, but great looking truck nonetheless. And this was shot up in Hannibal, Missouri. I love the V8 badging there. So I hope you enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed bringing it, and would love to know more about this truck. Anyone knows the owner, let them know. Great looking truck. Thanks again for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.